Well, perhaps the title doesn't suggest anything to do with motor racing, but this film is about motocross and the type of people who attend them. These scenes of the Hamilton Motorcycle Club members in action were taken on their track in Puketi Road. Generally, you know, we'd use a special prepared track for motocross racing. We just use the fields and the countryside in its original state. That's where the name came from, cross-country motorcycle racing. You know, people who attend these events react in different ways. And recently I came across a little group of enthusiasts who were obviously very, very intent on outperforming their particular heroes of the motocross.
Anything you can do, I can do better. I can do anything better than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Anything you can be, I can be greater. Sooner or later, I'm greater than you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Anything you can do, I can do better. I can do anything better than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Anything you can be, I can be greater. Sooner or later, I'm greater than you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Any note you can hold, I can hold longer.
I can hold any note longer than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.